Hello, everybody. Welcome to another edition of the MakeCode Arcade Advanced stream. I'm Richard, at Richard on the MakeCode forum.
I'm Joey, at JWondrel on the MakeCode forum.
And I'm Joey, at JWonder on the MakeCode forum.
It's not April Fool's
Joey,
Day, Vivian. It's just offensive
just
now.
desserts.
You
just
didn't
desserts.
even know that yesterday was April Fool's.
No, I knew. You two did.
Really? Oh.
Yeah, that is what happened.
I
It's
was
time to say
pranked.
it. All right, so we're working on our group platformer game. Or rather, the idea I have is actually that we're gonna make this a little bit more interesting by just basically tearing down what we already coded and doing something new with different tile maps. We're still gonna keep a lot of code. Don't worry. Okay, so basically, my idea, Joey and Vivian, is instead of doing a really big 16 by 16 tile map, we do an 8 by 8 tile map that is just the size of the screen. And then when we do that, we make it so the camera is fixed, so it's just like the screen. And we put in a lot more ways for everyone to get separated. Things like conveyor belts. How's that sound?
I like it. I didn't get the idea before that it was just going to be the size of the screen, but I'm super into that. I like it.
Yeah, we could make it taller or something, but...
Yeah, I like it. And this is definitely the first time I've heard of this.
Thanks, Joey, for ruining the magic. Okay, so yeah, so I've prepared some sprites for this, and right now I'm drawing a conveyor belt so that we can have some conveyor belts that move, and hopefully we will also animate it. Yay! Look at it.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. So the idea is that when you land on this, maybe I should change the color to be something more vibrant. Be like this purple.
So then you're like, my eye is drawn to this. I see.
Yeah, that looks good. Okay, so we're gonna try and animate this, and we'll see how it goes. I'm hopeful, I guess, but we'll see. So let's go ahead and fill this in, and then we will get to the animating part. All right, so let's go ahead and set this to be our tile map. We will take this and set it aside. Whoop. Cool. All right, so basically the idea is going to be that we're going to create sprites on each part of this conveyor belt, and then depending on if it's left or right, we're going to animate it so that it looks like the track is moving. And it's not going to be perfect. I mean, you can already tell it's not perfect, but yeah, hopefully it'll be good enough. We don't aim for perfection. We aim for getting stuff done.
True.
And the truth.
We're all
and
about
coding
animals.
and animal facts.
Hey, we promised some quiche facts today. Where are they?
Oh, I'm missing the quiche party.
I'm missing I didn't get a quiche either because Shannon's not going to.
All right, I think we're gonna have to just move quiche party to next Friday.
I think so. I agree.
Yeah.
Vivian, do you have any facts for other types of baked goods to make up for it?
Okay, name a baked good, and I'll see if I have a fact. There's just too much in my brain, I can't just find it,
I'm completely blanking on the name. The one that's like two little cookies with filling in between. That's really hard. Macaron.
Yeah.
Macaron.
Yeah. You gotta. There's egg whites, and you slam it on the table, and then the bubbles come out, and you gotta wait, and then you gotta put your finger on it after a while, and if it sticks to your finger, you're like, oh no, that's no good. But if it doesn't stick to your finger, that's when it's time to bake. Oh, okay. I have an actual fact.
Is that a fact or a fact?
Okay, I have an actual fact. So the little bubbles. So you have the two shells, right, and then you have the filling. Each shell is the top part, and then there's that part, and it has holes in it. That part's called the feet.
Nice.
That's a good fact.
So we're putting feet in the macarons?
Yes, you would like your macarons to have feet.
So if I say that the macaron tastes like feet, it's not a bad thing.
No, that would be a bad thing. They don't want
That
to
would
taste
be a
like.
bad
They
thing.
just want to have feet. Yeah.
Okay.
Your feet should taste like almonds. And sugar.
What if
what did
they're
you say?
what if you put
All right,
straw
back to coding for a second. So we're going to be looping over all of the track locations in our tile map. For each of them, we're going to be creating a sprite. We don't want it to be kind. of player, because that's what we're using to control. So instead we're going to make it kind of track. And now we're going to animate this. And so we should be able to just make it look like it's moving by moving the top in one direction and the bottom in a different direction. So if we make this 8x8, go ahead and paste that in there. Duplicate this frame. And we will have the top move to the right and the bottom move to the left. So like that. This go like that. Okay, we'll do another. And we're going to keep doing this until we're back at our original image.
Mm.
Did I mess this up? Yes, it did. There we go.
Okay. Oh, that looks good.
Yeah, all right. So it's going so far. We need to go a little bit more because we're not quite back at our beginning one yet.
I'll turn off the notepad so people can see. Notepad.
There we go. Looks good, right?
Yeah, it looks great. A+.
Cool. Okay, so let's turn loop on for this, and we'll make it go fast.
Gotta go fast.
Nice. Of course, we didn't set it to place on the location, so it looks a little strange right now. On top of random. Place on top of tile. We can just pass in our value. And we'll make this into a new variable like track segment. Nice.
Wow.
All right, now we gotta do these two end pieces.
That's
What's up,
scary.
Joey?
I was just imagine how you have to do the end pieces, and now I'm scared. Now I'm gonna watch. That'd be hard.
It's not gonna be that bad, I think.
Okay, I believe in you.
Richard is a professional, Joey, you know.
I
So
am
good.
a professional. That is true.
It'll be Richard magic.
Okay, so we're going to take this, and now we're going to loop over all of our end pieces. So we'll do the right one first. And we need to get our image. So I'm going to go back to the tile map editor. Going to edit this and copy. So that I can go over here and paste. And paste. Cool. All right. And we'll delete all these. Okay, so top is going right, bottom's going left, so we'll just, keep doing like we were doing. So now we're going to, let's start by, actually at the bottom, and then do it that way. So we'll do that, 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 and that, and that. Nice, okay. That's right. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Now we'll do another one. We're going to start at the bottom again because, that's what we're doing. So let's go ahead and delete that one. This one's going to go over that, like that. Okay, next. Hopefully this will look like somewhat decent at least.
Yeah.
Okay, and I think that should be it.
Whoa.
That's right? Is the top supposed to be one above? The top right most purple one, is it supposed to be up one or should it be down one?
Oh, I see what happened. Yeah, so it should be going like...
It should be like a 2 dot. Yeah.
That one should be like that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
There we
yeah,
go.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's fixed. Cool. All right, we got some weird stuff happening around the edges, but probably because I didn't make these line up. I can probably fix it just by reordering the tiles. So like, if I put this one instead at the end, and I just keep doing that until it looks right, I think we should be good. Better,
right.
but still not
that's
quite
one.
right. No, it's a little bit off.
Yeah,
I don't know if we're going to be able to get it perfect, but we'll try moving one more, and we'll see if this looks better or worse. That looks right.
That's perfect.
Yeah, that's nice. All right.
We do just need to copy and flip it, right? For the other one?
I don't know, but we're going to try that and see if it works. I'm not 100% sure. I can't figure it out in my head. I'm bad.
We might need to rotate the frames, but that's easy. We just have to drag them.
You just need two dots at the top to begin with.
So we're going to flip, 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 flip. Now.
No,
that's right. Right?
It was going this way, wasn't it?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's not right.
I guess reversing the order.
You gotta reverse it. All right, how do I reverse it? So, let's see. I do... Joey, how do I reverse it?
Is it just drag this one to the top, drag the current last one to the...
Second?
Is it just rotate one?
Oh, no, here it is. No, here it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Damn.
It just worked.
Nice. Yeah, no, it's still a little messed up here at the bottom, but yeah, whatever. It looks pretty good.
And the pig should be still, right? No, the pig should be rotating too.
What? Get out of here, Joey.
Okay, that's fine.
All right, cool. All right, so we are successfully creating our little track animations, but when we're coding, we don't want to be referencing all three of these tiles. We only want to reference the ones that are I guess we just want to reference one. It'll make the coding easier. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to go ahead and go into our tile map editor. We're going to make a tile real quick, and this tile is just going to be like this. And we're going to just replace our tiles with these, which will indicate that when we land on it, we should be going to the right. You won't actually see it because they'll be covered up by the sprites we just made, so it should be good. Let's go ahead and do a set tile. Change this to value. Change this to right. And copy and paste this. Cool. Okay. So it still just looks like a track, but yeah, it's like a good and stuff. All right. Let's go ahead now, and we're going to take our character creation code right here, and we're going to replace it with some 8x8 characters, which Joey and Vivian should be drawing for me.
Oh.
You didn't tell us that on stream, so it was fake.
No, it's true. I told you before the stream, but I think it was pretty clear that this was what was going to happen. Guys.
But you were like, thanks for ruining the magic, so I was making the magic real.
I mean, yeah, but
Richard,
it would have been magic if,
I'm never wrong, okay?
Yeah, while we're doing this, you should probably make the spinny things ghosts or something. That's a thing we can do.
I don't think it actually matters, but I will do that.
Joey,
I made them their own kind, so no outlines. It's 8x8.
No, like just the outlines, like Joey did.
I like having a mix, so I think you should do
okay.
inlines and I'll do outlines.
Okay.
Oh, see, actually, in the game yesterday, I went and changed all of yours, Joey, to not be outlines.
Aw.
Tough.
I kept the art. All I did was just make it so that the interior stuff was always opaque, you know?
Okay.
And the reason I did that was because it was really hard to tell where everything started and ended.
Ah.
It looked really cool.
It looked really cool on its own, but when there was a big group and a bunch of them were outlines, it just kind of looked like a bunch of random pixels. Do you get what I'm saying? I'm sorry, Joe. I shouldn't have changed your sprites.
I have no attachment to them.
I like them.
I liked them too.
No.
What?
I see. I accidentally named my sprite, and then I overwrote it.
Okay, so we're going to change this to -16 to 16. We're going to change this to be our small flag, this one right here. And we'll leave the rest the same. We're probably going to have to change the speed, but for now, we'll just leave it as is. All right, cool. Okay, so let's keep working on our... What's up?
I was going to do red, pink, teal, so same colors as yesterday for me. Is that good with you? Same colors as yesterday?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. Okay, so now we're going to take our conveyor belt and make it actually work. So first, let's go ahead and turn it into walls. Let's go into our tile map, get the wall brush, paint it. And, you know, this isn't very exciting. Let's make a few conveyor belts. Do. Okay. So let's just make a few more conveyor belts. We're just going to copy and paste. There we go. Like this. Let's give us some stuff to work with. And now we're going to add some events to make it so that we can actually make our sprites move when they're here. So let's go ahead and go into the scene category and drag out an on-hits wall. We're going to leave the kindest player, and we have this location right here. And so what we're going to do is if we are hitting the wall at location, we're going to check what tile is at the location using this. And if it's right, then we're going to do something to give us some velocity. So let's do that. I don't know what the best way to do this. Joey, do you have any ideas what the best way to do this is? Just change.
Give them an accelerator. That's not going to work if you're controlling with. We might have to just manually do left-right controls if you want to make it.
This works pretty okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Actually, this works perfectly.
There won't.
Stack it.
Whoa.
Oh.
There won't be any resistance, right?
What the heck?
What you doing?
Oh, maybe it's because... No, there is resistance. Watch, Joey.
Did we add that?
I don't know if I can completely explain it myself, but I guess the ordering is correct, so it's actually working okay. All right, so I think what's happening, the reason that I'm getting this error is that I think it's because we're hitting this track on the left.
Right.
Right? That's my theory, actually, because that's when it seems to be happening. So,
I don't get it. Why?
Look, if I just do this for a while, nothing bad happens, right?
Uh-huh.
It's only when you run into it.
If I do that,
Oh.
I get the Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow, by the way, that is a bug that is in MakeCode, I think. So I can try doing it with the debugger, and we'll see if it stops anywhere. But stopped at create track animations.
What are you calling that?
Calling it a non-start.
That must just be random.
Yeah, I'm guessing that it's just giving us a random location because we're hitting a bug in the simulator and not a bug in the actual code. All right, so we're going to ignore that, and we're going to go in here, and we're going to try and make sure that we are only hitting the conveyor belt on the bottom. So to do that, we're going to... What? Do you know what it is?
No, I don't know what it is right away. I know why your code is working with resistance properly now. I had missed it. I thought it was setting VX, changing VX, and not. Yeah, that makes sense. This is the right way to do it.
And it also doesn't seem to be a problem. Like it's not forcing me into walls either. So I think we should be okay.
Oh, maybe it's. No, that's okay. No, I don't know what's happening here. It might be related to the tile bumping behavior. So it might be trying to move into the tile, and it's trying to bump it out, and it's recursively doing that somehow.
Yeah, that was what my theory was. All right, so we're going to go into here. We're going to get a actually better idea. I'm going to add the tile maps extension.
I'm surprised we didn't have it already.
Yeah, right? Actually, our code for the main thing of this was really simple. So not much going on. Okay. So we're going to go into that code I was just writing, which is right here. And we want to see if the location is below us. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the tile maps. We're going to get the tile top using this. And we're going to see if that is less than the sprite's bottom. Or greater than, actually. And if it is, then that means we are on top of it, and it shouldn't be going for the... it shouldn't be causing that bump on right thing to happen. Okay, where was that code? Here we go. If top is greater than sprite bottom, does it mean be greater than equals? There we go. Cool. All right. Yeah, all right. Looks good. Ah, I love conveyor belts. This is great.
This looks so good.
Okay, let's try making conveyor belts that go in the opposite direction now. So I think for this, we should just be able to reverse all of our animations, right?
Maybe.
So, was that a yes or a no from Joey?
I would believe it.
Okay. Cool. Okay, so I think we're going to have to make a change to our tile map real quick. Let's go. Okay. So right now we just have these like middle pieces, but we need to actually indicate the direction on all of these track pieces that we're doing. So I'm going to duplicate all of these so that we have some for the other direction too. But right now we're going to edit this, and we're going to, I think I'm just going to put it green on the side that it's going. So these ones are going right.
This is because green means go.
Green. No, it's just because green's, a nice color I can see.
Yeah, that makes sense too.
Okay, now for these ones, we're going to do the opposite. What's up, Vivian?
When I drive, sometimes I'm worried that I forget which color light means what. So then when I'm sitting at the light, I'm like, green light, go. And I say that to myself, and then I'm convinced that I'm allowed to go.
Okay.
I don't like driving.
Have you ever said red light go? Just by accident?
No. Joey, don't even put those words in my head.
Joey, why would you do that?
Why would you do that? Green light, go.
All right. So we're gonna make this one into a left one. We'll leave these two as right ones, and I'm gonna make these tiles match with this new flavor I've cooked up.
What does it taste like?
Tastes like, let's see, what's purple and green?
Eggplant.
Carrots.
Oh, eggplant.
Eggplant also, yes.
Good thing Shannon's not here. She hates eggplant.
Why? Why? Yeah. This is just one of the main things that I have, that I've argued with Shannon about.
Eggplant is excellent. Big fan.
Eggplant is excellent. Okay, I actually did this kind of the opposite. Whatever. All right, cool. So our game is the same. Everything looks good. We're going to go in here now, and we're going to put these at the bottom, and we're going to reverse everything. So let's go ahead and change this to be the
next one.
Shoot.
Yeah.
This one. Yeah. Okay.
Wait, wasn't that the track animation?
Was that the right one though? Yeah, that was the track animation. You're right. There we go. Okay, now this one is the one on the right side, so it should be this one. And then this one should be this one. Awesome. Yeah, okay. It looks the same, and that means we did it right. All right, let's go back into our tile map and make sure that we have one of these direction ones, but for the other direction. I think I accidentally erased that. Bow. Okay. Let's go back up here. We're going to +++. Switch these all around so that I don't forget to do it. We're going to duplicate this code. Oh, no, we're not going to duplicate this code. We're actually just going to put this below it. Change this to be the other direction, and then change this to -1. Okay, so now even though our animation is wrong, we should be able to see it work. Yeah, cool. All right. All right, so that's neat. Now let's go ahead and fix the animation. So luckily, I figured out the secret to reversing things.
Oh, yeah?
And it's that I take the one like this, and then this one only goes up 3. And then this one goes up 2, and that one just stays. The secret art of reversing. Whoops. Okay, this one goes all the way up. Then this one goes here. Then this one goes here. Then we're good. Looking good. Okay. Yeah, you guys were worried I messed that one up.
You dropped it in the wrong place. I thought you would have lost it.
Yeah, I mean, I guess we weren't worried about it. We just were aware of it.
Yeah.
Not a quarter or anything, but you know.
All right. So we got these ones make us go to the right. These ones make us go to the left. Ah, this is great. I love this. Why haven't we been doing more conveyor belt games?
Because we don't see enough conveyor belts in our day-to-day lives.
Yeah, that's
too
true.
scared
That's
to animate it, I think.
Let's all move to the airport.
Richard, do you need to make a conveyor belt extension with just the animations for the conveyor belts, and then everybody will use them in every single game?
I'm not ready to sign up for that, Joey.
All right. Joey and Vivian have been diligently working, and they have given me a ton of assets.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll just take this. We'll put it over here.
We're putting it on the fridge.
Yeah, we're putting it on the fridge.
Yay.
Let's go ahead and grab an image block, and this first one is from Joseph. Nice. I love it. Classic. Okay. Next one is from Vivian.
Why can't you make my name longer? It's unfair. You did it for Joey.
Vivian Lee. Viv. I can't. Do you have a suggestion?
Wait, Vivian. Usually.
Nice. This is like a recreation of one of the ones we had.
I thought that's what we were doing. I just.
Oh no, you keep
Vivian.
Yeah.
I don't think you understand. He usually says Vivian, and this time he said Vivian, like the full name.
No, that's not true. Richard always calls me Vivian. I think.
Wait, your name's not Vivian?
Pretty sure you don't call me that. It's really weird because before I moved to Seattle, nobody called me by my name. And then when I moved here, everybody called me by my name.
Wait, what did they call you?
Wait, everyone called you Vivian?
No, they called me like Viv or Vivi or V.
Oh. Viv is a good nickname, I think.
Yeah. And then everybody in
lucked out with that
Seattle was
one.
like, I've got time. I will say all 3 syllables. Vivian. I'm like, oh, are you mad at me? I don't get it. Hey.
All right, what would you prefer us to say?
Okay, I want you to make my name longer. Like, okay, double all the syllables.
Vivian,
So,
didn't you? Wait, Vivian.
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 Okay, Vivian. Oh, that's so hard.
Yes, work for it.
That's the BMO one again. So.
I like it. All right, and now we got one last one from Joey.
And this is the flower one.
Cool. All right, let's play our game with our now diminutive characters. Wow, this is great, guys.
Aww.
Plus, they feel so speedy because they're so small.
Yeah, I think we actually need to we need to speed up the conveyor belt animation a little bit. Where is that? Where is it? Oh, it's in a bunch of places. Oh, okay, what a big variable for this.
Oh, nice. Biting the flower early in the bud.
What? I like that. Instead of explaining that, Vivian's just nodding at me.
You get it. You're doing it. Joey, is Joey short for Joseph, actually?
Yeah.
Who started calling you Joey?
Everybody.
Okay.
My parents.
I see.
My grandpa launched a campaign to try and get me to be named Giuseppe, but it didn't pan out for him.
That's
Would
a shame.
Giuseppe be shortened for Joey, too?
Yeah.
I don't see the issue with it then. If it would have made Grandpa happy, you may as well. Nobody
I mean,
would
that
know.
was when I was like a day old, right? So I didn't have that much say in it.
Yeah, I guess. But then, when people like Richard would call you Joseph, you could be like, actually, that's wrong. It's Giuseppe.
Okay, this is great, guys. All right.
So
Let's
good.
make a level now to kind of make this more interesting. Well, I guess maybe first we should do spikes again.
Yeah. I want the conveyor belts to go directly into the spikes.
I know you too, Joey. Okay, so we're gonna go up here. We're gonna go back into our tile map, and we're gonna make a spike real quick. I think we can only fit one spike, but that's fine. So let's see. What color is dangerous? Red?
Of course. But red also means stop. But sometimes when you
Well,
see
you
danger, you
should
want to
stop.
go.
Wait, are you sure that red means stop, Vivian?
Joey, I can't do
Joey,
this with you.
Joey. This is dangerous, Joey.
Green light, go. Green light, go. And you just approach all lights with caution, unless if it's a
That's-
green light.
That's a fact.
Oh my gosh.
All right, cool. We got our spikes. So we'll do Joey's thing, and we'll make this one at the bottom just lead directly. Man, I totally reversed this. I'm never going to be able to remember that these are the order that these are supposed to go in.
Yeah, the curve, it looks good, but sometimes you need to look at functionality.
Yeah. Okay. So let's go ahead and do this one. Nope. And we'll go ahead and put in some code for our spikes. So let's go to where our spike code is right now, right here. We're just going to replace this with our other tile, and we should be good to go.
Easy peasy.
Ah!
Oh my god! That's too cruel.
Okay, guys, I love this game.
It looks really good. And the worst part is there's no goal.
Oh, right. Yeah, let's do the goal right now.
Yeah.
Just put the goal right behind the spikes, so you see it, but
All right, I'm gonna make the goal a nice and yellow.
Yeah.
Vivian's favorite color?
Vivian's favorite color. Yeah.
Yeah. But not Vivian's.
What's Vivian's favorite color?
You would have to tell me.
she's like Shadow the Hedgehog. You can't trust
You know her better than I do.
danger.
Okay, my favorite color before was yellow, but my favorite color to wear was red. But now I feel like it's all just yellow.
Oh, wait, I put in the tile, but I didn't change the code. Let's do that real quick. Okay.
Rookie
Change this to
mistake.
be that door.
That
Is
is
that
a
a
good point. We
quarter?
might want to make it so we pass sprites greater than 0 to the game over, so that it's win or lose correctly.
Oh.
What do you mean?
Well, right now, if everybody
Oh,
died,
right. Pretty good. 17 finished.
Whoa.
This is great. Okay. All right. So, yeah, let's go ahead and go now to what Joey was saying. We'll go into here. We'll put in a logic. We'll go ahead and get our. We just need to make sure our score is greater than 0.
yeah, I mean we can just drop it. Can we drop it in the?
Yes.
I don't know. Yes. Okay. I wasn't sure if that was a shadow block or a magic.
All right. Cool. Okay. So I think we're good to design some levels now. Man, we just took this game and leveled it up so fast.
Mm-hmm.
We've got 20 minutes left.
So much time. What's next?
Can we do power ups?
Well, I want to do maybe you want to do multiple levels. I don't know.
Okay, that's a better idea. We can do power ups later.
What?
Let's see. But first, let's make a fun level. Okay, so I think we're going to start with this, and we're going to make it taller. So let's make it so that the camera is fixed and can only go vertically, but we're just going to do that by making the tile map taller. So let's double the height of it. We'll do 30.
Ooh, I really like that.
We'll go ahead and fill this in, and actually we'll delete all this stuff. Okay, and right now, because I just can't handle this, guys, I'm going to put in an arrow that shows the correct direction.
This is a mess, Richard. Oh,
It's true.
Okay.
It truly is. Okay, all right. So let's go ahead and do that all over the place.
I'm glad you're also getting rid of the green. If you didn't do that, that would have been too much.
Just goes to show you should think about these things when you do it the first time. Don't be a Richard, be a Joey.
True. Wait. I think you should be everybody. Oh,
Yeah. Then we wouldn't have any music, so that would just be lame. Or good drawings.
Okay, got these ones. These are our right ones. Let's go ahead and do our left ones real quick. All right. Okay. Now we can successfully make things without just confusing ourselves all over the place. Let's go ahead and erase these walls, and we'll erase this too. Okay. So my basic idea, I'm going to erase everything, actually, just so we can start from a pure blank slate, you know? I'm going to put the finish down here on the right.
Nice. So much possibility. So much potential.
It is so much possibility. Okay. So I think the thing I was thinking of with these conveyor belts that I really want to do is we're going to have like a one that goes to the right, and then one that goes to the left.
The great decision. You gotta choose. Are you a left or are you a right?
Yeah. And we're going to make it so that you can fall on either of them. So we're going to do it like this. Okay. Coming from the top, there'll be a wall right here so that you're more likely to go on the right side. But if you don't go on the right side, oh no.
I like that you're being kind and not putting that on the right side.
Yeah, I'm being nice.
This is the first level, so the second level is where we start being really rude about things.
Yeah, though maybe I should put this farther down in the first level, you know? Put this right at the end for a nice little, fun little surprise. On one end, certain death.
The goal.
On the other, certain victory.
Wouldn't you just want to hold the right button at that point?
Yeah, but it's like the first time you do it, you'll be like, "Oh, this is nice," and then you won't. You'll have to like react really fast, you know.
Sure.
But we could actually make this shorter. Yeah, if we make this shorter, they'll have less time to react. So
we can be really mean and make it so it's a couple things up, so you don't necessarily see the spikes until it is too late.
That's too mean.
This is why we don't all want to be Joey, you know. It's all about the balance.
Okay, so this is cool. Let's make another segment to kind of separate out your people. One way to do that is, I think, by doing like this. You want to force them to jump, because if they jump, they are more likely to get separated because everyone jumps at a slightly higher or lower thing. So we'll just do a little snake guy through here. Cool. Okay. Thank you for that interpretive dance, Vivian.
I can't tell when you see me or when you see Joey. Joey, say something.
It's whoever's
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoops.
To be fair, he could have been seeing me and just assuming you were doing an interpretive dance, because that's a pretty common occurrence.
Is it? Man, I don't see you guys very often. Okay, so we want to teach them about spikes early on, I think. So we're going to go ahead and put in a segment where they're just going to do a jump, basically, over just a nice, shallow little pit of spikes. Yeah, just like that.
It's just like, many of you will die. This is a sacrifice that I'm prepared to make.
All right,
That's
cool.
true. Yeah.
And we'll put that there. And then what should we do in this section right here, guys?
Maybe you should introduce them to conveyor belts. Be like,
Oh, I like that
run,
idea.
run, 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 run.
So for that, we'll just do some. I think we'll do like the two going together.
Mm.
Like that, and then like this. I like it, and yeah, I think this is a pretty good first level. You know, it doesn't have too much going on, but it kind of gives you some idea of how to do everything. So let's go ahead and fill in our walls.
Whoa.
And let's try it out.
Whoa, that was supposed to be an easy, shallow, Richard! What's happening? This is great. Oh no.
Okay, we
What?
unintentionally made this section very hard.
Hey, if I've made it through, that's enough.
Okay, let's go back to our tile map and make some edits.
This is the Dark Souls of platformers.
Should we make some edits, or should we just change how high we can jump? Because we kind of did the jump height based off of...
We did it based off of 3 tiles, right? So we should just drop it down to about 3 tiles again, average.
Yeah, so let's see. That would be 24 pixels, right? So we
Yeah,
want to go up by like 2. So we'll do like 26, and then we went up to like 1 more tile, so like 34. Or like 35.
30. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, it would be 32, right? So 34 is good. So he's right. And then one thing that's bothering me is that we need to seal in the...
Won't they just run into the top
We do the
thing above the spikes when they try to make the jump?
Well, we lowered our jump height, so it's a little bit less now.
Okay.
Yeah, so there you go. Yeah, that's so much better. Okay.
Did we do we updated the initial placement already? The initial, positioning to be within 2 tiles or something? Is that accurate?
Yeah, I did that.
Okay, cool.
All right, cool. Everyone made it through.
Easy peasy.
Solid level 1. All right, let's go ahead and make it a little bit more dangerous, I think, because I want at least the spike trap at the end to land. So right now it's too easy to just line yourself 100% out, like right here. So I'm wondering if maybe the better way to do it is indeed to be mean, you know?
What if you made like a gap instead of a wall on that side, and then if you have to aim for the hole?
I think just making it a jump into that would be enough, right? So, if you move the left side of the entry, 2 or 3 tiles over, they have to jump over to get there. They'll still get it, but some people won't.
Okay, yeah, let's give ourselves a little bit more space to work with. Put this down here. Fill this in.
I really like how tall
Not with wall.
tall tile maps look in the tile map editor.
Yeah, I mean, I just like
Really
them in
satisfying.
general, I think.
Yeah.
Maybe it's because of how much I like Downwell. I don't know. Downwell's a great game. You guys should.
That was the feeling I was getting from it.
Yeah. Okay, so I think what we could do is we could take these, and what if we made it so that they're like this. Okay, so there's no return.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Um,
If you want, yeah. I think we need to move it up.
Oh, move it up?
You have to make it so it's the bottom 2 layers aren't visible when you make the choice. If you want to make it hard, if you want to make it like some people will die no matter what sort of thing.
Yeah, I mean the point is to learn from your mistakes and not make the same mistake twice.
It is Dark Souls.
Yeah, it is Dark Souls. Okay. So here we go. We got this. We're going to make it so that you can jump. You have to jump to get in, and we're going to make it so that.
Oh, those spikes are mean.
Yeah, it's a little too mean. We'll do it like this.
Yeah.
Or maybe we'll do it like this. Okay, feature request. We need the ability to switch. We need a hotkey to switch between tile map editing and
Walls.
wall editing.
Agree.
Yeah.
We should use the W button.
I like it. It's clean. It's simple. Ship it.
We have time to do this before.
What?
Sneak it in. Anyway.
That's true.
Okay,
we
so
are driving.
Yeah.
Thelma and Louise.
The kids are in charge this time. All right. Should we give this a shot?
Yeah. Pew pew.
Okay. Get on down. Easy. All right.
A false sense of
Nice.
security. The snake does not trick you at all.
Richard just over here choosing who lives and who dies.
Why can't you go in?
Get in there. Get in there. Get in there.
Whee!
Okay, yeah, we forgot the cardinal rule of tile maps, which is make your openings bigger than your sprites. So let's go ahead. We're going to make this. This is an easy fix. We're just going to make it so that we go like this, and we're going to erase here. Well, not erase. We're going to make it, empty thing, and that way you have a wall you can align yourself against.
Yeah.
And that'll make it so that it's easy to go through. All right, nice. And then the last thing I'm thinking is that we maybe go in here and we make it so that our velocity is a little bit less. So let's drop it down to like 65 to 95.
Yeah.
Whoops.
This might make, yeah.
Okay, that made that jump impossible. We'll just fix that real quick.
85 to 100?
No, I'm just gonna fix the tile map. I like the going slower,
Yeah.
Sometimes you don't gotta go fast.
What? I don't understand
I know.
this.
Yeah, it's yeah. Vivian strongly identifies with Sonic.
Sonic's so cool. Pew.
He is cool. Okay.
I think 65 might make.
Oh.
Oh no, you did it. Nice.
Yeah, we did with like most of everybody.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh
shoot.
no. Oh no.
There's no
Richard,
escape.
there's no escape.
Mainly, I just wanted to have it so that we had a much larger range, So I'm actually going to make the range even larger, because I want to make it so that you really spread out more than you are right now.
So you can get a snail and a Sonic.
Yeah.
I'm just sitting here thinking, after all the sacrifices, I think my joke about having to make each one have a random name and then doing the scrolling credits like Vivian said, I feel like that's necessary.
16 didn't make.
Can you imagine just here like Nathan?
No.
Vivian.
No.
I don't like.
I don't like.
If we put Vivian in there, we put all of us in there, Joey.
Yeah, of course.
Oh yeah.
But not all of us could have passed away in that round. Only 4 did.
No. 16. Okay.
Oh,
Right.
Was it? Did I read opposite? Oh.
Okay, here's a choice now. We don't have anything after this. So do you guys want to keep going, or should we call it?
We can keep
I don't mind.
going. I'm going to eat a cupcake though. Be right back.
All right, that works. We can all be jealous of Vivian's cupcake. We need a piece of candy.
I'm gonna go make some
Alright.
tea if everybody's moving. But Rich,
Do it. Okay. Yeah. Cool. We're doing bonus stream. We're gonna keep going. All right. So while they're gone, I'm gonna do some coding stuff because that's mostly me talking. And we're going to make it so that we have multiple levels now. So let's go ahead and go to our on finish, or actually we're gonna go to our function check for end. Right here. And we're going to instead make it so that we have a variable called current level. Let's do that. It's been a while since we've done multiple levels.
Yeah. What have we been up to? Can't even tell you.
Yeah.
Where did Joey go?
Right. He went to go get some tea.
Oh, okay.
Okay, what kind of cupcake?
Ooh, it's a Girl Scout flavored cupcake, the lemon one. They were 99 cents at the store for a pack of like 12. They're mini cupcakes.
Nice. Girl Scout flavored.
Well, Girl Scout cookie flavored. It's like when Joey's like, it tastes like a foot. Oh no. Do you think Joey will bring me some tea?
That depends. I mean, I guess he's like 100 miles away from us or whatever.
100?
I don't know. He's pretty far away.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we'll see.
He's still in the state of Washington.
He's been gone for a while. Maybe that means he's bringing me tea.
Yeah. Okay. So we're changing current level by 1. If current level equals 1, then we're going to set a new tile map, and we're going to spawn some more characters. So let's go ahead. We're going to go into our variables. We're going to make a few new ones. So now, because we can't just use our score anymore to count how many we should have. No, wait, we can. I take it back. We're just going to make a function that's called start level. And this is going to have all of our common starting code. In other words, most of what's in onStart. We're going to pull out all of this. Except for the current level and the setting the tile map. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Cool. Let's call this function. That's not a quarter.
Okay.
It's not a quarter.
Okay. It was mad though.
Yeah, it got mad, but that was just because I hadn't done it yet.
Joey, what kind of tea are you having?
Earl Grey.
Ooh. Bergamo?
Bergamo, Joey?
That's
Bergamo?
involved, yeah. That's part of the equation. Plus, it's got a cool. I trust myself enough. It's got a cool little tag with the doggy on.
Oh, cute. Joey, why didn't you bring tea for the rest of us? You know we like tea.
I did. You just gotta like get it.
Oh, but I'm lazy.
Okay. So we're going to we're using this variable, which is right now called game over, but that's not the most accurate thing. And we're going to make it so that if, this is equal to sprites of kind player equals 0, and we have not game over, Going to set game over to true. We're going to start a cutscene to transition to the next level, and then we're going to set the tile map at the end of it. So we're going to print out a message depending on how well you did for this level. So inside of start level, we're going to set a variable that's going to be remaining to 20, or rather to our number. And inside of our code for overlapping the spike, we're going to change that by -1. All right. So depending on how many we have remaining, I think we're going to put out a different message. All right. So I'm going to need your guys' help on this one.
Yeah. Wait, do you need our help though, Richard? Let's be honest.
Yeah, that's a good question. Okay. All right, first of all, if remaining equals 0, what do we do? Then we just end the game.
Yeah. Bad news.
Yeah. So you need to get through with at least 1 to get to the next level. It's only fair. So actually, I should be putting this up here. I'll put the if remaining 0. Man, this code's becoming a mess. So we're going to do if remaining equals 0, or we're done with our levels. Then we're going to do the end. Otherwise, we're going to go into our if statement, and well, actually, first we're going to go ahead and start a cutscene for transitioning to the next level. So let's do that right here. Start this cutscene. And we're going to switch on how many remaining is here. So, okay, if remaining equals 1.
Yikes. Yikes spikes.
All right, so I'm just going to fill this in with some conditions. So, okay, if remaining equals 1, if remaining equals 2, if remaining is less than 5, remaining is less than 10. You know, I want this game to have personality.
Yeah. 20. I feel like you gotta get rewarded for 20.
Oh, for sure.
Oh, yeah.
I'm almost disappointed there's no Highlander reference for 1 remaining. Though I don't like Highlander. It's not a great show. Right?
I thought you were saying Hylian, like in Zelda. I'm like, I don't really get it. I don't see the point.
Okay. What should we say if there are 2 left?
2 left. Dual. Duet. The font.
Okay, Joey, do you have a suggestion?
Duo it is the best. It's all my mind can think of for this now.
What a pair! What a pair! Apparently, you two are the only ones who... Okay.
At least you have each other.
Oh, man. Oh, no. Oh, man. Wait, shouldn't it be like the difference? Oh, nothing. Like if remaining is 10, but you started off with 10, like that's the best it could have been, you know?
Yeah, I'm always doing 20 though.
Oh, okay, I see. I thought you were starting with the. Okay, never mind.
I guess, do they all respawn when you get to a new level? Do they all pop into existence again? Is that the question you're going for? Okay, cool. Sounds good. I like it.
Wow. Wow. Perfect.
Okay. And now we're going to, oh, I thought I put this inside of a start cutscene. Guess not.
That's an easy fix.
Okay, and now at the end of this, we are going to take our little game over variable. Where are you at, game over variable? Did I throw you away? Should not have done that to you. Go ahead and set this back to false. And then we're going to start our level. So let's call our function, and we need to set our tile map. Okay. And we'll just design one more level, and then I think we'll call it. I think we're pretty much done with the coding. So let's go and get a, I just want to copy this. We'll come down here, go into scene, get the set 8x8 tile map, put it in there. Let's see, this should be 20. This should be, what was it, 40, I think? Nice. All right, and let's do one more level. Any ideas?
It should be harder.
I like it.
Thank you.
All right, how mean should we be?
What if you start at the top and there's 2 columns and you gotta decide which one to go down? And then
Yeah, I was thinking like that too, but like a pachinko thing. So it's not just 2 columns. You got like 2 columns, and then it diverges to 2 more. Keeps on going.
Let's just do 2 for now, and we'll see how it goes.
Okay.
All right, so I'm just going to seal everything in. And we'll go ahead and do... so I think like before, it makes sense that we force them to make this choice using a jump. So we're going to make our switch over here, okay? And this gives you, well, actually it should be like this. So this gives you, so you can fall in, and then you get aligned against this little separator. Otherwise it's too hard to get into the hole. So let's go ahead, we'll put this in here, and then we're going to put some spikes right before it. Just like that.
I feel like I've picked that up from Joey, where he goes like oof oof.
Oh yeah.
Thanks,
All right.
Joey. Sorry.
Now I just want to align them together so that we have these 2, but I want them to be going down the center, and I want the rest of this to be symmetrical.
Oh.
Okay. like this. It's not going to be perfectly symmetrical, of course. We're going to, make them different. But the idea is that you're going to see what's happening on the left side, see what's happening on the right side, and I think that'll make it a little bit more, clear what's going on. Whoops. All right. Okay, cool. So we've got our separation. And we've got everyone nice and aligned now. So let's start by doing something easy. We'll do a conveyor belt going this way. And a conveyor belt going this way. Then they're going to fall down onto another conveyor belt. And it's going to be fun because you're basically just watching this, whoops.
Isn't one of those conveyor belt arrows the wrong direction?
Yeah, on the left side, the rightmost.
Oh, you're right. Oh, I have marquee tool. That's what's happening. Okay, so basically I wanted to be like, you land on here and you're just watching your little guys going like, oh, that's cute. Look, they're following the little conveyor belt. Oh, and then there's gonna be danger.
Oh my gosh, okay. Ooh.
Okay, another thing. We should, when we paste, we should do it on somewhere that's in screen.
Oh, I'll put that to my list.
Thank you. Okay. And I think I want them to be back in the center when we get to the fun part. Right, now we're going to copy paste this. All right, cool. So your guys land and they just go whoop, 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 whoop. And then here we are going to be in danger zone. I think what we're going to do is we're going to put some spikes down here. So you'll have to move to get by. And this might be too hard. We'll see.
This is gonna be crazy.
I don't think you can. I guess the secret is you have to like push them all, like push hard right, and then get them completely off kilter. I'm trying to think how you would beat this. They can't come out at the same time on the bottom. You have to push them, align them so they're at least one time off.
Yep.
Okay.
This is beautiful level design.
This is beautiful in its malevolence. Okay, then we'll put our
really
door.
Rude level 2.
Put the door on either side. And you know what? I'll be nice. Okay. So this will give you some time to think about it, but it's still gonna be tough.
Okay. Oh my gosh, do it! Oh wait, do the walls first.
Yeah.
I want to see it.
Yeah, now you just push right?
Yeah, so now you need to push right, and then you'll get off here, and then you have to push left.
Yeah.
But if you do both of them to like keep them in sync, then you'll be in trouble.
Yeah.
Is this like that game, that car game, where it's like Beep beep, let me out. But like a level
Maybe.
above. It's like a 4-dimensional card game with movement.
Yeah. It's like a 4-dimensional card game. Oh, and I forgot. I just realized something that we didn't do inside of our start level. We need to destroy all the conveyor belts. So go into functions. Or rather, we'll go into tile maps is what I wanted. Okay, destroy all sprites of kind. Put them right here, and we're going to destroy all sprites of kind, not new kind. Track. All right.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Oh, this level again. Easy peasy. Oh, man. Richard,
Shoot.
no.
Oh my gosh.
You know what it's like.
I know. It's hard though. Okay, something went wrong because we should have
Did we not remove the game over?
let's go. Okay. So what's triggering is either remaining equals 0 or current level greater than 1. Oh. This needs to go in here.
One more in? Or? Bless you.
Whoa.
Oh, sorry, sneezing. Okay. Yeah, I need to get a sneeze button. Oh no, oh no. Okay, we're good, we're good. All right, let's do it, everybody. Yes, yes.
Yay! Oh boy. Oh no.
Man, did I really lose 11 up there? Okay.
Oh.
Let's see.
What's up, Joey?
We need to change all the scores, places where we use score when we're reading it out to use sprites remaining, probably.
No, actually what we need to do is we just need to do current level plus 1 times 20 instead of number of players.
Okay.
Or actually, we don't even need to do the plus 1. We just do current level times number of players. Yeah, right?
It didn't say it on the first one. Was it supposed to?
It's not supposed to.
Okay.
Okay, I think this is right. We'll see. All right, everyone's making it. Good job, guys. Go down here. Go to the right. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, wait. Something's going wrong there. Oh, boy. Yeah, that's right. Okay, what was going on there, though? It wasn't counting all of my score, you know? I don't know what that's about.
What's game over again?
Are we sure all of them made it? This time we lost a few, right?
This time we lost a few, but watch this. So 6. Okay, and I've definitely got like at least 5 in here, right?
Yeah. That's
Okay.
That's what, yeah.
Yeah, right. Maybe you're right. Maybe I just lost a few because with negligence. Oh my gosh.
Maybe we should we should have some kind of effect or something so that we know that we lost them, because it's a bit sudden when it's just immediately destroyed.
Yeah. All right. Let's tweak this level and then we'll call it. So I think that the one thing we need to do is right now we're never getting into the second part. So where are we at? Where is it at? Where at?
Top? Up to the right?
No, wait, it's down here in the game over thing. Yeah. Okay. So I think what we're going to do is instead of this thing we were doing, let's erase this. Oh yeah, I have a good idea. Okay. We're going to get rid of all of this. Switch to tiles. We're going to put this up here. Put this up here. And we're going to, we might need a little bit more height, so I'm actually going to use the marquee tool. Move this down. And we're going to do it just like this. So, like that. And I think that should work better.
I'm confused.
I'm confused.
I
think we're missing a hole somewhere in here.
Yeah, right here. Sorry, I wasn't done drawing.
Oh, okay.
Whoops. There we go. There. So that should be a bit better, I think. Maybe even like that. And so you now have walls that you can align yourself with. But you're gonna hit it more often. So let's try this out real quick and then we'll call it. And I accidentally made those spikes walls. There you go. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Whoops. Go. No.
Negligence.
Negligence. Okay, here we go.
Oh.
Okay, that was just me being an idiot.
Yeah, Richard, maybe try a bit harder.
Okay, let's go. I'm gonna go and jump and yep, there we go. There we go. That's what I wanted.
Richard.
Okay, so you go left, you go right, you go left. All right, that's it for the stream, folks. I'm Richard, at Richard on the MakeCode forum. I hope you like this game, and I hope you feel really bad when you only get through with a few people.
I'm Joey, at J Wonder on the MakeCode forum.
I'm Joey, at J Wonder on the MakeCode forum.